G'day guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. Today we're going to be making the caramel espresso martini. Let's get started. First thing you're going to need is get your shaker. We're going to go 30 mils of vodka. I'm going to grab Kahlua, 30 mils of Kahlua. $30 mils of fresh espresso. Then what we're going to do is we're going to get our caramel and just going to give it a quick little squirt, maybe 15 mils. Great, now we're just going to grab some ice. Load it up with some ice. Cool. Shake on top and shake away. Now before we strain it, we're just going to grab your martini glass, grab the caramel syrup, we're just going to line the inside of the martini glass. Alright, let's put your Hawthorn Strainer on top and strain away. The last piece is to garnish with 3 coffee beans. And there you have the caramel espresso martini.